Smart Universal Remote Control. To make life easier, DGM introduces the Smart Universal Remote Control. This small black box will replace all of your remotes. The power to the device is supplied via a micro USB port. The built-in code library covers 94% of remote controls from popular manufacturers available on the market. You can also encode any remote using the DIY function. Pairing the device. Insert a needle or pin into the hole at the back of the unit. Hold the needle or pin for a few seconds until the red LED on the front of the box starts blinking. Start the pairing process in the app by pressing the plus icon in the top right-hand corner of the application screen. Select Smart Universal Remote Control from the list. Confirm the Wi-Fi network, ID, and password. The application will begin searching for new devices. After a few seconds, your smart remote will be added to the application. You can select the location of the device and also change the device's name to a custom one. Now, you can add all of your remaining remotes, one after another. Your phone with the SmartDGM application has now taken over the role of the remote. Another interesting feature is its support for voice services, such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This enables you to control your equipment using voice commands.